How to cancel an order on Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to cancel the order that you have did, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now simply tap onto one of the foods or groceries that you want to buy, just like this, and simply order it. And I have already ordered one, so I am tapping onto this cart right here, and from here you can simply check out and cancel the order. And if you want to cancel the order right from your cart, then simply tap onto delete button right here, select it, and simply tap on to remove. Now you can see you have simply removed and cancelled your order. And if you have already paid for it, you can simply tap on to cancel order right onto the add payment method. And that's it. This is how you can cancel an order on the Uber Eats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.